Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing InTown Suites Extended Stay Baton Rouge, Louisiana. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Featuring apartment-style accommodations and on-site laundry facilities, this Baton Rouge hotel is just 11 miles from the Louisiana state capital. A kitchenette with a stovetop and a refrigerator is offered in each suite at InTown Suites Extended Stay Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Rooms also have a TV with cable channels and a telephone with free local calls. Guests of InTown Suites Extended Stay Baton Rouge, Louisiana have access to fax and photocopy services. Vending machines offer a selection of cold drinks at the hotel. Downtown Baton Rouge and Alligator Swamp tours are each with 15 minutes drive of the property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.